So I'm going to solve this quadratic equation. So normally the first step would be is to factorize the quadratic expression. So I can place down my brackets, and I know I'm using the x variable, so I can place x over there, right? So normally there's two types of questions you want to ask yourself. What two numbers can I multiply in order to give me -8? And if I were to add them, it would give me +2, right? Which is the coefficient of this x over here. So if I look at 4 and 2, right? So 4 times 2, all right, would give me 8, right? And if I say 4 minus 2, that would give me +2, all right? So this 2 over here needs to be a -2. So if I place that over there, okay, so I have x plus 4 and x minus 2. So now I need to set each factor to equal 0. So I can say x plus 4 equal to 0. And therefore x, bringing this +4 over to the other side, will give me -4. Or x minus 2 equals 0. And therefore bring a -2 over to the other side will give me +2. Right? If I plug -4 in here, right? If I plug -4 in there, so it will be -4 plus 4, that will give me 0. So 0 multiplied by any number that's over here would equal 0, right? And if I must plug 2 into this x variable over here, so 2 minus 2 equals 0, and multiplying anything by 0 would give me 0. So there's two possibilities for x.